Some cars I really love to detail, and BMW is one of them, but this BMW definitely needed a detail. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. For today I have this 2013 BMW 3 Series that is here for a makeover. It needs headlight restoration and a full wash and wax done to it. So guys, sit back, relax, enjoy the show, and let's get detailing. I'm starting with the headlight restoration, and the most important step here is you have to make sure tape off all the painted areas around the headlight. This way, if you are wet sanding, you don't accidentally sand into the painted areas. Some of these areas are really tight and your polisher cannot reach there, so it will be a really messy situation. The first thing I'm going to do is wet sand the headlights with 1000 grit sandpaper. This is to break down all the yellow gunk that is built up into the headlights, and this will clear up all that. And after that I will proceed with 1500 grit, 2000 grit, and 3000 grits. The higher grits are to make sure that we are completely smoothing out the 1000 grit sanding marks, and polishing will be very easy. One tip that I give for wet sanding is always doing crosshatch process. This will help you in the polishing stage. When the compound and the pad are cutting into these scratches, it will be easier to remove these scratches. Here I'm using Meguiar's M105 combined with Meguiar's microfiber pads, and this combo works really great when I'm wet sanding. Having different set of tools like this Max Shine mini polisher that I have to get into all the tight areas of this headlights makes your detailing experience really great. So all the links to all the products and the tools that I'm using are in the description down below. Make sure to click on this link and check them out for yourself. And guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and comment down below, so let me know what you think. As the customer was dropping out the vehicle, he requested what can I do for the wheels because the wheel barrels are caked on with brake dust. So I am here using super clean degreaser for the tires. For the wheels I'm using CarPro iron remover, and then after that I will be using Adam's wheel cleaner for the wheels as well. This combo actually works really well because BMWs are notorious for brake dust. As I'm talking about wheels and tire cleaner, as you have seen in the thumbnail as well, Super Clean wants to do a giveaway and they reached out to me. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, comment over here, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok, because this whole week I will be posting some videos about the giveaway. All you have to do is I will reach out to you, give me your information, and I will pass it along to Super Clean and they will send you the giveaway package. Customer bought this vehicle a couple of days prior to the detail and he wanted to get a full wash and wax done on it. So the wheels came out really well. Combo worked amazing with CarPro's iron remover mixed with Adam's wheel cleaner, and it did the works. I was able to remove most of the brake dust. Now for the paint, I'm going to rinse it down completely, and then after that I will be cleaning all the door jambs. This way the pressure washer does all the hard work, and then all I have to do is agitate all the door jambs to make sure they are clean as well, even the trunk jambs as well. While rinsing the paint, I did notice this car had some tar built up on the lower rocker panels, so I sprayed some CarPro Tar X. This will melt down all the tar that is sticking to the paint and easily rinse off when I'm done with the contact wash. As I mentioned, this car was in for a full wash and wax, so in my detailing, wash and wax does come with the decontamination process where I use a synthetic clay bar to remove any embedded contaminants in the paint. So when I apply the wax, it bonds really well. Here I'm using Mother's synthetic clay bar. This clay bar is amazing. Even if you drop it, all you have to do, rinse it off and use it again. Not like the traditional clay bar. Well, if you drop it on the floor, you gotta chunk it away. And for the soap, I'm using Chemical Guys Max Suds. All I can say good things about this soap. I know Chemical Guys gets a lot of hate for the product, but this product is actually really great. Little goes a long way in your foam cannon, and I use this soap in my bucket as well. In my detailing experience, drying stage is very delicate and important because this is the stage where you can actually cause some scratches if your microfiber towel is not primed properly. So I always use a drying aid. That is, I use a quick wax from Meguiar's where I spray it onto the paint or on the towel and just wipe the panel down. This way I reduce any scratches that are caused by the drying towel, and always make sure to practice safe detailing methods. And after the drying process, I take a blower and go around all the crevices or all the emblems just to make sure when I'm applying the wax, water doesn't drip. Usually this is a very good thing to do because even if when the customer drives off the car, they don't see any watermarks on their paint. For applying a wax on this paint, I will be using Serum Boost by Dino Wax. This is actually a ceramic booster that you have to apply by hand onto the paint, but I don't like to touch my paint after the paint is ceramic coated, so I use this as a standalone product for all my wash and wax services. This product works really great. I had put it on the back shelf for a long time, but I started using it and I'm really surprised. So guys, all you have to do is spray onto your cloth, massage it into the paint, and then flip the towel and wipe it off. And this product gives you instant protection. After cleaning all the glass with the Malco glass cleaner, I applied tire shine to all the tires. Now this is a new tire dressing that I'm using by Aero Cosmetics. This is Rubber Care, which has ceramic infused tire dressing. So guys, I will be posting a review of this on my Instagram. Make sure to check it out over there. And if you want to get this product for yourself, you can. And this is a very short detail. I didn't have an outro. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you've been with me this long, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one.